So this video is supposed to be about these eyelashes. So sit in there with me. Watch, see how I do these lashes, girl. Thank you for clicking in. On to the video. Hey girl, hey. But this is the Falscara New York. As I'm opening it, I'm getting even more nervous. Okay, so it's supposed to be brush on the bond, place whips underneath, lock in with seal. Okay, they give you a thing and everything. The pamphlet fell out. Let me look at it. That's so nice. They gave you pictures, boy. I'm a visual learner. That's what I need. Okay, so bond. Infuse. I don't care about it being infused. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Step 2. Use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. As shown, period. Punctuation matters. As shown, comma, pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimum control and application. One by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lash, slightly away from the waterline. Dab the thin coat of seal under wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds wisp in place. Okay, pro tip. Apply starting with the outer corner of lash line, working inwards. Be sure to place wisps right next to each other for a seamless look. If needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wisp against your natural lashes. This helps the wisp adhere for a more secure hold. I'm getting nervous as I as I read. To prolong the life of your applicator wisp, after use, wipe off any bond residue with, okay. Ready, set, go. Okay, here we have bond. Step 1, brush light coat of bond on natural lash. Let's start with my right eye first, I guess. Oh Lord. But what can you do but go in? Nothing. You just gotta do it. It says a thin coat, but I don't know. If you with me though, I appreciate you. Let me know in the comments if you still hear me. Cause your girl is what? Nervous. I'm making sure all my lashes are coated. One. Okay, they say get the applicator and pull one of these off. Okay. Whew. One is down. Girl, it's starting to look like something. Okay, I only have 3 more left. I know my eyes big. Trying to put my eye out now. Set a little above the line. Okay, last one. I'm trying to pull it out of here. It's giving me trouble. No. I broke it. Ah. Girl, now. Here I was trying to attach that broken piece back on there, but it didn't work so much, but I tried. Telling me I was wrong, the connection never left us, 'cause you danced and projecting all your deception. Not too bad. Let's look at this. Let's try this other eye. Oh, I gotta seal it. Okay, let's try the other eye. I'm gonna take them off of my hand this time. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, I did it. I did it. I did it. Do you see it? Can you see it? There we go. Do you see them? I just saw these lashes and I even wanted to do them and do them and do them. I'm about to put my laser dye out over here. My eye was just watering, but I kept going and pushing through. I got it done. Thank you for hanging in there with me getting these lashes done. Most likely I will try them again. I don't know how they're gonna last, if I'll be able to sleep in these jokers or what. I don't know. They have an overnighter section, but I didn't buy that. I didn't even see that to buy it, because I probably would have tried the overnighter. But we're gonna see how this goes, and I'll probably sleep in them tonight, and just so I can see if this is something that can be, you know, used more than one day. That it wasn't hard to do, just, you know, nervous, because I was nervous. But I thank you for sticking in there with me. Let me know in the comments if that's something, if these lashes are something you'll try. Are they perfect? No. Will I stretch them out next time? Maybe. Will I try them again? Most likely, especially if I get a coupon. So I thank you for your time. My name is Rachel from TheRLSLife. I'll be back soon.